How to generate unrealistic images like this you're watching. This particular unrealistic images are blowing up channels. So right now you can actually generate this unrealistic image easily with just two software, and the first of them is ChatGPT for your script. All right, now you head to ChatGPT and get scripts. So I'm asking ChatGPT to write me five scripts. Now, in writing these scripts or giving you these ideas, if you have your own idea, fine. But if you do not have, the word that is very important you must add to your sentence or what you're asking ChatGPT to do for you is unrealistic. All this content, they are not realistic, so you must use unrealistic video script or scenes. And I've done that. ChatGPT gave me five, so I'm copying the first one. Once I copied it, I'll go to my Google, type in via, all right, VHEER. Now, this app does so many things: AI image to video generator, AI text to image generator, image to video generator, AI image to image generator, AI to so many of them, and so many more. All right, so I'll go ahead, all right, and click on this particular one. All right, this is how it looks. All right, this app has so many free things you can do, video editing, but we are working on text to image. Click on it. All right, up or at the topmost, you see all the things you can do, but right now we are working for text to image. Okay, now if you want to generate this, you need your image first. Okay, with this particular software, you can generate your image. So you go to ChatGPT, copy it again, paste it here. You can see where I am right now. Paste it here. All right. Now you come down here. You can see where they have aspect ratio. Let it be 19:9. If it is for short, it is 9:16. Abi. All right. So check the ratio. Make sure the ratio is accurate because I want this particular image to be in landscape. So I'm going for 19:6, sabi 16:9, yeah. So next thing I'll do right now is click on generate image, and it will generate the image for me with ease. So having clicked on generate, I'll wait. Okay, we are waiting for the image to generate. Now you have to wait for it to generate. It doesn't take time. Now you can see this particular one has been generated. Now once your image is generated, the next thing you need to do is scroll up. You see here, click on save. That is save. You save that particular image. Then you move to image to video. See where I clicked? Click on it. First thing, for you to change that image to video, you need to upload the video, the image. So you click on upload. All right, once you click on upload, you upload, then paste that same prompt here and click on generate. Now, this particular software, you need to go through it, especially if you're into creating content, and faceless content. It is very, very easy and it is free. You can see now, you see the picture is moving. Now, once you have gotten your generated, you go here, save it. All right. Once you save it, especially those that are into storytelling, it goes a long way. So once you save it, all right, it goes. Now, the next thing, let's get, I was given 5 scripts. Let's go back and get the second script to create more images. Okay, so I'll paste it. I will equally check the aspect ratio. 16:9, that is for landscape. All right, not 9:16. 16:9, that is for landscape. Then you click on generate. You allow it to generate. Okay, as it's generating, now you can see it has generated this one for me. It's okay, but if I don't like it, I can read. So the same process. You download the image, paste the same prompt and click on generate again for video. All right, it will turn this picture to video. Okay, so let's click on generate and see what it gives us. Let's do that. Now it is generated, so we have to wait. Let's wait. Now this particular software, it is completely free and it helps you in generation. All right, helps you to make your videos to move. All right, you can see what is happening. This is dogs clubbing. They are clubbing. So this is one of the prompts that ChatGPT gave to me. I will save it. All right, the next one is, let me continue with, let's go for the third one and see what it gives me. Okay, all right, let's go for the third one and see. Now the third one gave me cats. Okay, cats. So let's download it and turn it to video too. So these are the ways you can generate unrealistic image, especially animal image. This particular app gives you real, like high quality images, okay, that are unrealistic as well, but the quality is top notch. Okay, so it is actually generated, you can see. Now, this one, for you to generate longer video, all right, you need to subscribe to premium, but the free one gives you unlimited, can generate unlimited videos, just that it has to be in shorts. Okay, now let's go for this elephant. That is the fourth image. Okay, same process, paste it generates the image first. Make sure it is in 16:7 landscape. Allow it to generate, all right, before you proceed. So I'm waiting for the good, this is it, elephant that is exercising, jogging. Anyway, not bad. Okay, so you click on the image, the elephant. We need to make the elephant move. We paste it. Now it mustn't be the same prompt. You can actually change the prompt to any other thing you want. You want the elephant sitting down, feel free to change it. Okay, so you can see the elephant is actually moving, all right, for some seconds. Okay, so definitely elephants cannot be in somebody's house. Okay, now let's get another prompt checked out. This is another image, which is the last one. Let's generate and see what it gives us. I'm changing the aspect ratio to 16 and 16:9. Okay, let's see. So it will be in landscape. Let's see what it gives us about snake. Oh good, this is what it gives us. So not bad anyway. So but if you think it's not okay, you can always change some aspect. Now let's generate it to video. You click on import image, that same snake, who click on it. Let's make this particular script, a snake. Paste the prompt. Okay, let's see how the video will come out. These are unrealistic videos. Unrealistic videos are going viral these days. You can easily create it on your own, and in minutes, it doesn't take time. You can see how we have generated about 5 videos so far. Now at the end of this video, I will be attaching those videos we generate. All right, so make sure to click and watch them and see how they look. Now if you have not subscribed, do subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to drop it on the comment section. So that is it. As usual, you have to download at the top right side, close to the download, download the close to the delete, you download your video, and that's the easiest way you can create your own